Hey everyone! If you're looking for a reliable, subscription-free way to protect your home, today I'm reviewing the AOSU SolarCam P1 SE system, a 4-camera kit that's completely wireless, runs on solar power, and installs in just 2 minutes. What makes this system stand out is its all-in-one solar design. Just drill 4 screws, mount it anywhere with sunlight, and you're done. No messy wiring or technician fees. It comes with a 32 GB home base that stores up to 60 days of recordings, so no monthly cloud fees, and your data stays private. The cameras deliver 2K color night vision, meaning you can clearly see faces, license plates, and movement up to 30 feet away even in total darkness. They're also weatherproof with a 130-degree field of view, perfect for driveways, gates, or backyards. And thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi, you get a stable, lag-free connection. Best of all, the built-in solar panels keep them charged year-round. Just 2 hours of sunlight a day is enough, plus there's a backup battery for cloudy days. You can view all 4 cameras at once on your phone, and the cam-to-cam smart tracking actually syncs footage across cameras, so if someone moves through your yard, you see their entire path without missing a detail. It also has smart alerts with a 120 dB Siren, spotlight, and app notifications to deter unwanted visitors. Pros: quick DIY installation. Solar-powered, no charging hassle. No subscription fees. Crystal clear 2K night vision. Strong dual-band Wi-Fi. Weatherproof and durable. Cons: needs direct sunlight for best performance. 32 GB storage may not be enough for heavy use. Fixed 130 degrees angle, not a pan-tilt camera. Overall, the AOSU SolarCam P1 SE system is an excellent investment if you want hassle-free home security with no ongoing costs. It's reliable, eco-friendly, and gives you complete peace of mind. If you're ready to cut the wires, skip the monthly fees, and upgrade your security, this system is worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home reviews.